What's up, guys? Adam here with Adam's Hair Stuff. Now, I have been cursed, guys. What is that I'm cursed with? That demotivation, fellas. Now, we all struggle with this, man. We all go through it. We all have those times in our lives where we just feel so demotivated, like we're in a rut, like we're not our normal selves. Like it's a weird feeling to feel like this. And it can be quite depressing, guys. It can be very draining and cause us to not get done what we need to get done. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over a few tips and tricks that I have come to realize that have helped me a lot in my pursuit of pushing through those ruts and that demotivation. So let's get into it. So, like I said, guys, we all go through these moments in our lives. Now, I have been cursed with it right now. Now, for some strange reason, I just feel really demotivated. Maybe it's just because of everything I got going on in my life. Maybe I feel overwhelmed. It could be a combination of a lot of those things. There's always something that needs to be done. You always need to hustle and pursue and push through to achieve your goals, and that's never going to end. So the first thing that I'm going to recommend to you guys is to do what I did today, and that is just to get out of bed and do something small and productive, like making your bed. Okay? Now, it's something so minute and so stupid, but the act of actually doing something like making your bed actually jumpstarts your motivation and your brain to be like, all right, well, I did this little thing, and then it leads to something else. So like for me, I made my bed. Okay, then I decided, well, you know what? I need to do my laundry. Started doing my laundry. Then I started cleaning around the house. And then I started to make breakfast, and it just, bam, all of a sudden I was like, you know what? Now I have the motivation to do the things that I need to do for the day. Hell, when I woke up this morning, guys, I did not even feel like filming YouTube today, to be quite frank with you. I did not feel like doing anything, going to the gym. I felt like just sleeping in and not doing shit with my day. But now that I did something very small and productive, it gave me the motivation to actually do what I needed to do today, and that is to film YouTube, to go to the gym, to clean around the house, to take the dog out. There's little things that I did not want to do, but I still have to do. So the first thing is do something small, minute, and productive. So the next tip I got for you guys when it comes to you being demotivated and trying to gain that back is to find inspiration, fellas. Now, what I mean by that is it can be something as stupid as getting on social media or Instagram or YouTube, seeing a video like this and maybe being like, you know what? I'm not the only one that feels this way, so do other people. That inspires me to actually do something about it. So finding some form of inspiration to go out and stop being sluggish and in that rut is key as well. When you see somebody else who is pushing and grinding and trying to be successful in their own way, that motivates you. That pushes you to be like, you know what? If they can do it, so can I. So maybe if you do something like, if it's trying to get to the gym, watch some gym motivation videos or watch some weight loss journeys. That stuff motivates you, man. That has motivated me a lot to get to the gym and just getting where I need to be with whatever goal it is I'm trying to achieve. So finding inspiration, guys, is another big one that can help out a lot, and that can come from anything. Seeing somebody else grinding away, seeing some little video on YouTube or Instagram, or just seeing one of your homies who are constantly always grinding away and realizing that, hey man, they're doing it, I can do it too. So always strive to find inspiration, guys. Next thing that I would recommend is to not lose sight of your goals, fellas. Do not lose sight of what it is you are trying to achieve, no matter how minute or detailed it is. Always remember what you are trying to achieve with it. All about mindset, guys. You guys got to switch that. Think of the end goal. Think of the success or the gift, the goal, whatever it is that you are trying to obtain. Remember that there is always something that is worth fighting for. Whatever it is you are pursuing, that is going to be worth the struggle to get to it. Okay? Never lose sight of the goal. Always focus on that. whatever obstacles come in between you and that, remember, I can get through this and I'm going to get to that goal, because this right here is not going to stop me. It's something that just might slow me down, but it's not going to stop me. Always move forward and always pursue it. So never lose sight of your goal, fellas. That will inspire you to want to get out of that rut and stop being so unmotivated. Whatever it is that you guys are trying to fight for, guys, always remember, do not lose sight of that goal. Yeah, I know. Oh, no, the buddy, guys. Where's the buddy? Yes, him is. It's my dude right here, guys. This is Ghosty. He's a big old baby. Now, a dog for me really helps me get out of a lot of the rut sometimes, because I have to do that. I have to let him out. I have to take him for a walk. I have to feed him. He is reliant on me. And to know that I am failing for somebody else if I don't handle my shit lights a fire under my ass. It makes me say, you know what? I need to get off my ass. I need to do something. I need to be strong for him. I need to get off my ass and get my shit done so that he doesn't suffer from it, or whoever doesn't suffer from it. So again, it comes back to finding inspiration for yourself, guys. It's okay to fall, fellas. It's okay to trip and fall and stumble. But the important thing is that you always get back up and pursue whatever it is you are trying to achieve. I wanted to make a quick video on this because, again, I felt like it today. And I realized that everybody feels like this. It's not just me. The strongest person I know has felt like this, where they just don't want to do anything. They feel unmotivated, and it's depressing. But you gotta push through it. Always strive to be better, guys. I cannot stress that enough for you guys. Just always strive to be better with whatever it is, your work, your job, your physical goals, your relationships, anything it is, guys, YouTube, whatever it is you do. Strive to be better, fellas. Keep grinding away. I'm gonna keep doing it. So if I can do it, so can you guys. So keep pushing, fellas. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you guys like this kind of content, be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video, or anything that you want to see in future videos. Please leave a comment down below, and I will take everything you guys say into consideration into future videos. And with that being said, guys, also, if you have not yet, please check out the rest of my videos and my channel. And if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. And if you like this video, be sure to shoot me a like. Right on, guys. I hope that this video has motivated you if you are feeling like I have been feeling the past couple of days. And hopefully you can get out and achieve whatever it is you are trying to get to. And I wish you guys the best in doing that. And thank you again for watching my videos. It is very much appreciated. And this is Adam with Adam's Hair Stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.